very positive, and I'm sure you're all looking forward to this session post-pandemic. And not that we are out of the pandemic, but then yes, you've all gone through a lot of emotional stress and mental stress, physical stress also. But I hope you're all staying safe and healthy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Radhika,
ma'am.
I think we can start. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we have Sonu Gandhi ma'am with us. She need no introduction. Still, I would like to say a few lines about her. Sonu Gandhi is well-established fashion designer of Ludhiana. She has shared the stage with national-level designers like Ritu Kumar, Satya Paul, and many more fashion peaks. She has organized fashion shows in Chicago, Los Angeles,
Radhika, you're
Dubai,
not audible.
चल ठीक है
and Singapore. Hello.
कुछ भी नहीं है but ठीक है अनम्यूट रहने देना
And shall we start?
Yes, please start. But you were not audible actually. I think everybody should mute their and audios and also stop their videos, please. Huh? Videos should be on, okay. Yeah, Radhika, please start.
Yes. Okay, ma'am, start with your. I have a question. How can we have an edge over designer?
Okay. See, when we talk about edge over designers, most important is that focus on your skill development. When I talk about skill development, it is, not just that being a designer will be enough. Of course, it's a very important thing when you have to be having your thorough knowledge of your own line, of your own creations, what you're making. Apart from that, इसके साथ-साथ बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अपनी skill development in different areas like digital marketing is very important, photography is very important. You have to be all in all. अब जो time आ गया है, you know your product. आपको पता है कि आपने कैसे अपने product को display करना है, किस angle से photography लेनी है. You know your target audience. So marketing also, digital marketing also comes in that. Since आपको पता है कि it is media, social media का बहुत ज़्यादा है. Trend, and we all have to be competitive enough when we come to social marketing. So, develop on your other skills like digital marketing, your photography, and of course, when I talk about being a fashion consultant or a designer, iske sath sath be a fashion stylist. So that is going to be the in thing. When I talk about being a fashion stylist, I mean, you can improve on your image management skills. आप लोगों को to have an edge over other designers, ही लोग अच्छे garments तो पहना सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं, but किसको क्या सूट करते हैं ये खाली एक image consultant या एक fashion consultant बता सकता है, right? So based on their body shapes, you can suggest to people that okay, if you have a triangle body shape, तो आपको कैसे कपड़े सूट करेंगे? अगर आपको एक you have a V shaped body shape, so तब आपको कैसे करेंगे सूट? Again, if it's an short heighted person or a ज़्यादा height है किसी की तो उसको कैसे कपड़े सूट करेंगे? Also with color combinations, like based on your skin color, what kind of colors you should be wearing. So these are the kind of things where as a fashion designer you can have an extra edge. Then when you're making a trousseau, you can also suggest based on the roles, goals and occasions कि आप what is your relation with the person. आप अगर mother हो तो आपको कैसा कपड़ा पहनना चाहिए एक बेटी की शादी पे, what you want to project, आपका message क्या होना चाहिए, आपका occasion क्या है. So based on all these things, I feel that अगर आप एक ये extra edge देते हो अपने clients को, so this will definitely have an extra weightage to your designing skills also. इसके साथ साथ क्या है कि आपका trust build up होता है with the clients. So clients आपके ऊपर trust करते हैं, they will come back to you when you are telling them a garment कि अच्छा आपको ये V neckline suit करेगी, and actually they look so nice when they are wearing that V neckline. Now you as a fashion designer and an image consultant know कि आप उसको क्यों suggest कर रहे हो. यहाँ एक sleeve length है, आप उसको बता रहे हो कि आपको 340 पहननी चाहिए, ज़्यादा short नहीं पहननी चाहिए. You know कि उसको क्यों पहननी चाहिए, right? So मेरी एक suggestion है आप सबको that along with being good fashion designers. I know designing skills are very apt with Pinnacle Institute of Fashion Technology. I have seen so many of their fashion shows. So you all are really at very good level of designing. Along with that, enhance your these skills when I talk about having an extra edge over the other designers.
Okay. Next question is that what is your mantra for masses?
Okay. Now, mantra for masses, I think very importantly is, first to remain positive. You should not get deterred with what has happened. See, life there are a lot of highs and lows. I understand that this is not a very easy time for any of us. And especially for masses, it has been a very difficult time because a lot of them are, on their insecurity of their jobs. Then, of course, when I talk about commercially also, money has been a big problem for all of them. But let me tell you, there's always a silver lining in the clouds, So after that, I'm very positive about the future. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि it's just right there. I mean, within a couple of months, आपने जैसे इतना time एक masses ने on hold करके रखा है. I know it has not been easy. I really feel bad for the poor people. I really feel bad for people who have not been able to go and meet their families also. And, they have not got enough food to eat. They have lost their jobs. But let me tell you, जो future India का नजर आ रहा है and which has been projected. So I'm honestly telling you, believe in yourself. Just don't let your, emotions get deterred. Don't feel so low. Get into that life. Get back into action. It's time to be into action. And within few months, 2-3 महीने की बात है, आप देखना, things will be back to normal. Perhaps they will be even better than what we have seen.
Another question, ma'am. Is it the right time to launch your label?
Okay, when I talk about launching your label, honestly speaking, it's always the right time. It's always late to launch your labels. But considering the condition right now, and considering what we are all going through because of the COVID-19 pandemic, I feel that this is the time to build up on your energies, build up on your, the kind of target audience that you want to cater to. Be sure as to your product. Create your own lines. Like, you should be sure before launching your label that, yes, this is what I want to cater, whether it is a pet line, whether it is accessories, whether it is couture. So, you have to be very, very sure as to what you want to do and who is your clientele base. So, आप अपने ये सारी एक जो I would say synergies है, you work on it constructively and have your data all ready. Launching time would be somewhere around August, when you are all set and the sentiment is also higher of the people. They have already outgrown with the sentiment of pandemic and things are back to normalcy. So since you will be launching your new label, we don't want कि आप अभी ही थोड़ा disappoint हो जाओ या demoralize हो जाओ, because of course it is a struggling stage right now. So being new and being a fresher, I suggest that wait for the right time. And by August, I said is that beyond that, like September onwards, we see a good season ahead. Again, weddings will start. People will start to move around. Festivities will be there. Season changes. And you know how with all seasons, like moods also change. Low up, summer is like gloomy and you feel so tired and thoda summerish garmi bhi zyada lagti hai. You really don't want to get out of the houses. So जब seasons के साथ change होते हैं moods, so definitely अभी pandemic के साथ में moods are little low, people are little reluctant. So don't launch your label right away. Give it some time, at least for another 3-4 months.
Next question from the side. While selling, what are the points we should keep in mind?
Okay. See, मैं आपको एक बात बताती हूँ, कपड़े बनाने बहुत easy है, उनको बेचना उतना ही मुश्किल. And if you can sell your product, that is the mantra of success. So now when we talk about the selling skills, it is very important first to place yourself in the shoes of your client. उसको क्या चाहिए? उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, उसका बजट क्या है, उसका ओकेजन क्या है. सो जिस टाइम जब आप अपने क्लाइंट के साथ एक ट्रस्ट फॉर्म कर लेते हो ना, यू बिकम फैमिली विद देम. सो दैट इज व्हेन द क्लाइंट विल से कि आप हमारे लिए डिसाइड करिए कि हमें क्या पहनना चाहिए. सो कपड़ा बना तो लिया आपने, स्टोर्स में टांग भी दिया, ठीक है, आपका डिजाइन बिक भी जाएगा, लेकिन एक अच्छे सेलर के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. देखिए स्टोर में भी जो बेच रहा है उसके लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है टू नो ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू, व्हेन यू आर सेलिंग यू हैव टू बी वेरी एम्पैथेटिक. यू नो क्लाइंट्स की नीड्स बहुत जरूरी है पता होना. देन क्लाइंट किस बैकग्राउंड से आया है, हमें वो भी चीज देखनी बहुत जरूरी है. हम हर क्लाइंट को एक ट्रस्ट जैसे कहते हैं कि यू नो यू नीड टू नो कि उनकी अगर ओके, you know some clients will come and they have huge pockets, but then you are showing them something which might not be to their taste, or maybe they don't feel like buying because it is not suiting their pocket. It's very low to their pocket, and vice versa. किसी का budget low है, आप उसको बहुत expensive चीज दिखा रहे हो. So reading a client, spend some good 5 minutes, you know, before you start with your inventory to show. Spend a couple of minutes just knowing about the client's needs and then get into action. And again, as मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि अगर आप थोड़ा एक एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डालते हो, उनको एक एक्स्ट्रा बताते हो कि मैम आपको ये चीज बहुत सूट करेगी बिकॉज आपकी बॉडी शेप ऐसी ऐसी है, आपको ये चीज बहुत सूट करेगी मैम, आपका कलर जो है आपका इट्स maybe you know you can just call warm hues or whatever. If it's a pink color they are looking for, and if their personal coloring has that pink color in that, and it is a warm coloring on their face, so you know you can suggest such kind of things जिससे उनको एक एक्स्ट्रा कंफर्ट लेवल में आ जाते हैं, कंफर्ट जोन में आ जाते हैं और वो ट्रस्ट करेंगे आपको. सो फॉर सेलिंग आई थिंक दीज स्किल्स आर रियली इम्पोर्टेंट.
Another question from a student, like आजकल जैसे ट्रेंड चल रहा है मेक इन इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट, do you believe in this or some opinion on it?
Yes. Okay. Now, see, Make in India जो project है, that had been started, I think, in the year 2014 by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. And ये Make in India project क्या है? You know, basically what want the FDIs to invest in India. They want the foreign companies to come. Even if you are manufacturing here, maybe you can have tie-ups with the foreign companies and get more investment here. When Make in India start हो जाएगा ना, तो उससे क्या होगा कि एक तो jobs बहुत generate हो जाएंगी. So the employment issue will go off. When employment issue will be at ease, poverty line जो है वो कम हो जाती है and diminish हो जाएगी. लोगों के standards high हो जाएंगे, एक buying power बढ़ती है. So money जो है that gets generated in the country itself. अभी हम क्या करते हैं, बाहर से जैसे कुछ बड़ी कंपनीज है, whether it is Micromax है, Samsung है, you know these kind of companies ये क्या कर रही है, बाहर सेल कराती है, बाहर ही बनाती हैं, बाहर से प्रोडक्ट लिया, वहीं पे असेंबलिंग कराई, वहां बना लिया, लेकिन बेचा इंडियंस को. तो कंज्यूमर तो इंडियंस हो गए, लेकिन अगर यही चीज इंडिया में बनाई जाए, असेंबल इंडिया में की जाए और इंडिया में ही कंज्यूमिंग हो, तो आप देखो कि पूरी जो एक मनी है that is rotating and that is under rotation in our country itself. So definitely we see a economic growth in this. Now when we talk about textiles, government of India ने 25 sectors को इन्होंने promote किया है into this Make in India project, and fortunately textile industry is one of them. So if you can really take benefit out of it, I think that's going to be the really in thing. Now, if I talk about pandemic, तो अब आपने सुना होगा, I think अभी जो मई में, I think after lockdown 4 or somewhere around 13-14 May, when you know our finance minister, she had given the packages. So she had mentioned that 200 crores they have allocated for the domestic manufacturing. मतलब जो भी वो tenders float करेंगे, so they will first float in the domestic market. So that is the time, like if we can really think out of the box कि government को क्या चीज चाहिए होगी जिसके लिए वो tenders float करते हैं in the textile industry. and you can really come up with some kind of a brilliant idea. You can tie up with the government, and right now they are coming up with such nice schemes and also subsidies they are giving for the people who are going to be into engaging into this Make in India program. Also, I think जैसे इनके schemes है, Startup India, Stand Up India. So these are the schemes. Just go and read more about this. You will get a lot of information in this Make in India program. जो मुझे लगता है कि अगर हम actually में follow करते हैं, तो I see a lot of future prospect. In fact, I was reading somewhere that in this pandemic, Arvind Mills, if you have heard of, who are into textiles and all that. So they have been an opportunist. So what they did, उन्होंने tie up कर लिया with the government, and they are making around